How to add biodata to your profile on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add biodata to your profile on Twitter. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, first thing to do is to open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter, guys, when you open up your Twitter, at the top left corner here, go ahead and click on your profile picture. Then from there, guys, click on profile. When you click on profile, just go ahead and click on edit profile. Now under this page, guys, find your name and you find your bio. Just go ahead and put in anything about you under that bio. Then i'm a good I'm a good person. After that, just go ahead and click on the save at the top right corner here. Click on save. Now you can see your bio have been added to your profile. So guys, that is how to add biodata to your profile on Twitter. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.